Let me tell you something kind of strange.
Your brain isn't actually tired from the work itself.
No, it's tired from all the decisions. That's what really drains you. And you know that feeling, right? You think you want to do it, but you just don't.
And then you start telling yourself, you know what, maybe I'm just lazy.
But here's the truth. I really want you to hear this. You're not lazy. What's happening is your mind is just stuck in what we'll call comfort mode. It's constantly hunting for that instant dopamine hit from your phone, short videos, whatever. So when it's time for real work, your brain just goes into energy-saving mode. So how do you reset? How do you break out of that cycle? Well, it's actually way simpler than you might think. Stop trying to change your thoughts. Instead, change your actions.
Because action has to come first. The motivation, that'll follow later.
So here it is, the 5-minute reset. Just start. No emotion. And yeah, even without motivation. It's simple, really. When the body moves, the mind has no choice but to follow. And that right there is the reset.
Okay, no more judging yourself. Just start the countdown with me.
3, 2, 1. Let's go. Start now.